All right, well, welcome to a brand new school year, boys and girls and teachers and staff. We have a great thing happening here at Perry Elementary School year this year. We're going to have some wonderful things happening, but first and foremost, we're going to go through the morning announcements. Boys and girls, morning announcements this year are going to be done video-wise. So you will see things on video whenever your teacher decides to do so. So what happens with morning announcements is that it will go the same way as it had done in the past. So we'll go through those very quickly. So anything that's important for morning announcements we will do here. So one of the biggest things is what is for lunch? What does everybody want to have for lunch today? So lunch choices for today are hot dog, or we have beef nachos, or turkey and cheese wrap, and then we have baked beans, cucumber coins. Interesting. Don't eat normal money, guys. Just the cucumber coins. That's fine. The crispy romaine, and apples and oranges and applesauce, mixed fruit, and milk. So we have quite the menu today on our first day of school. Just as a reminder, you're going to be getting a lot of information coming home about Picture Day. So Picture Day is happening Monday, August 27th. Third base and bus info is going to be happening by the end of the day. So if you haven't got any information about third base or bus info yet regarding students in your class, please wait closer towards the end of the day. Mrs. Fullers will be working on that really hard to make sure everyone gets that, hopefully by 2 o'clock, if not earlier. And boys and girls, remember, our biggest thing that we do here at Perry is our pause. So we want to make sure that we are doing a positive attitude, we're doing academic achievement, we're working hard at all times, and we're showing respect. So boys and girls, we'll be doing those type of things, and actually starting tomorrow, I'm going to have some student helpers to help me out with the recording. So students in certain classes are going to help out with pause, but also they'll help out with our Pledge of Allegiance. But before we get to that point, we're going to take a moment of silence. Thank you, boys and girls. And now, please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, boys and girls, teachers and staff, let's have a great day. Let's have an awesome first day. We're going to have many great days for this whole school year. So it's up to you now. You make the difference. You make the choices. And let's everyone have a great day. Thank you.